Buddy, what do we have today?
And pretend bar.
Yeah, it's a grill toy set from Kimiangel. This is really cool. This was sent to us to review, and we want to thank them for that. It has all these cool features. It takes some batteries and makes some sounds.
Hey, it has 47 pieces.
It does. Let's take a closer look. Open up the grill. So it has a top right there, and then you have this cool thing right here.
That can make noise.
Yeah, and it has an on and off button right here. It takes 2 AA batteries. You turn it on.
You use this.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah, we're going to figure that out in a little bit, but you also have tongs.
But this needs batteries.
Okay, we'll get that all sorted later. So this is a fun toy.
And we have more things under there. I'll show you.
Yeah, let's pull it all out. Here's your grill. Pull that off. You also has 2 wheels down here and a stand. There's really no assembly required other than putting these on.
And there is more things.
Whoa, look at all that food. What do you want? You want to empty that all out and tell us what they all are?
Yeah.
Wow. You have your sauces, strawberry sauce.
And we also have lemon sauce.
Lemon and strawberry sauce. You have nice tongs. You have these 2 end cables.
You do it like this.
Are you
Watch.
You're going to pick up the sauces with it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Watch.
So you can see this would be good for hand, fine
Watch.
motor skills. Whoa, you did pick that up. Good job.
If you squeeze it too hard, it'll squeeze the water and then it'll explode.
You get strawberry sauce everywhere. Ooh, you got nice sodas. Look at, you want to drink one?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's fun pretend play.
Yum.
Is it good? What's this one?
Yum.
There's another one right here.
Yeah. This can come all in.
It can?
Look.
Oh, wow, you could put real soda in there maybe, or some sort of drink. Look at it. You got turkey legs.
What's turkey legs?
Oh, it's just like it's a meat. There. We have
turkey legs.
We have this cup right here.
Oh, they're turkey legs.
Look at this hamburger. Do you want to slice it open? Want to use the knife?
Yeah.
Or pull it apart? So you can make your own hamburger or slice it. Ooh, oh yeah, look at push the button. Or you pull it all apart. I don't think you push that. I think you pull off the lettuce. So it'll help your kids learn about different foods because you can pull off the lettuce, the tomato, and it all comes apart like this, and you can make a burger however you want.
But how does it go? What's the pattern?
Yeah, the pattern, exactly. So get the bun. That's the top. That's the bun right there. Put that on the ground like this.
Yeah,
and then
just
put a piece of lettuce.
Yeah.
And like this. And then another piece of lettuce. And then put the top bun and then push it back on. Push it down hard. Squeeze that burger together. And what else do we have? We have a little cup.
Yeah.
Some plates, so you can have a meal. Ooh, corn on the cob, which you can
slice.
Ooh, you could take the cob off too, or the skin.
You just saw that.
Yeah, it's nice Velcro. Gives a nice tactile feel. This is some sort of meat right here or something. What is that?
I know what it is.
You do?
Yeah, but you just don't know the name.
Here's your mayonnaise. What's this? Sterling.
I don't know.
Hot dog.
There's even mustard.
Oh, look at it. Here's part for a shaker. I think maybe that goes on there. Does it look like it fits?
Let's check.
Ooh, tomato sauce. Make pizza or something. Oh, look at, you can put the turkey legs back on here you can put them back on the turkey. I think they fit. Yeah, there's stuff to build in here. That's fun. Ooh, look at black pepper sauce. I thought that was going to be chocolate sauce. Oh, here's the bun. You could put the hot dog in there.
Yeah.
Got a bell pepper to slice apart. Makes a fun sound, huh? Look at, you're able to build this stuff back up. Here's another part of the turkey. Push these 2 together. More parts of this. Look at the bones. You ate it all clean. Tomato. Slice the tomato.
No, there's a slice. There's a slicer.
You got some forks in here.
Even there's a slice.
Yeah, there's a knife.
Yeah, there's a knife.
Oh, here, look at this goes right here.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, so they're like little puzzles, and these go right here. Oh, slice that tomato. Good job. You want to put some of this stuff on the grill? Cook it up? You want to cook up this fish?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi.
So this is a lot of fun, don't you think?
Yeah.
All right, light up the grill. That's cool. It makes fun sounds. And then you can cook on it. What are you going to cook on your hot grill now? You want to cook this whole turkey? So I hope that this video helps you with your buying decision.